we are heading to the Columbia River Gorge in Oregon. It's about half an hour from Portland.
Yeah, that's good. But 45, 50 minutes from our house.
Yeah. So we live in Hillsboro. Yeah. So there are several state parks in the Columbia River Gorge on both the Washington and the Oregon side. We're just doing Oregon. So we're just going to hit as many as we can. Are you taking the sunset?
I was going to do the Vista House exit. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the sunset.
Oh, it is the exit.
Yep.
Oh, sorry. I didn't notice.
So our first stop is Vista House. And then we'll continue along Old Highway 30 as long as it'll allow us. Parts of it, I think, are closed. So we might have to make our way back to 84 to get to Monoma Falls and further down. So we'll see.
Play it by
ear. So yeah, thanks for coming along and hoping to see lots of waterfalls today.
Yeah. It's breezy. Look at the water.
It is breezy.
Whoa, look at the water.
It's very windy, yes.
It's all choppy. Holy crap,
Water
I've
is
never
choppy.
seen that.
Oh,
That's
wow,
insane. Wow.
Here, I will show you.
That's crazy.
Woo!
Woo, boy.
Okay.
I don't have a truck.
We had to drive this. Well, Andrew had to drive this with a big U-Haul about 5.5 years ago.
Yeah.
So if you want to see those videos, click the link in the description, not up here, because I still don't know how to do that. Okay. Bye.
Well, you can see the winds have calmed down.
So there were a possible of 5 state parks that we were going to go see today.
Yes.
But it was very windy.
Very windy.
Very windy.
Like
and
crazy.
Cold.
Hang on, Busky. Yeah.
But we still saw quite a few.
Yeah, we saw.
Well, we saw 2 waterfalls. And
Right. It was fun. Bridal and La Torre. It was fantastic.
It was awesome.
Yeah.
Always a fun time at the gorge. So
Oh, yeah.
we'll definitely go back at least once or twice this year. So
Yeah.
stay tuned.
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Now we're going to go to Powell's. In the
Right.
New Seasons, we're going to the smaller Powell's. Now it's at Cedar Hills. And then New Seasons. And then home, and we might have a movie marathon.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Wow. That's a little sarcastic.
A little bit. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, YouTube.
Thanks, YouTube.
Anyway, thanks, YouTube.
For real. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, too.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Peace.
Just yelling into it. Okay, bye.